3 minutes ago, we detected unusual options activity on LYFT at 3:35 p.m., 3:32 p.m. Take a look. Last 30 minutes of the market, 13 strike calls and 15 strike calls. So in this video, we'll analyze what this means for LYFT, because LYFT will be reporting earnings after hours. Okay, that's today, August 8, after hours. So when we take a look at the chain, August 18, this is 10 days away. You can see here the 13 strike calls, 30,000 volume, much greater than the open interest. So we know these are opening trades. 15 strike calls. We have 32,000, but the open interest is 38,000. That's greater than the volume. So these could be closing trades. Okay. So what we believe they're doing is they're buying the 13 strike calls. Okay. And some are being closed for the 15 strike calls. And whether or not it's being closed or not is actually not relevant, because we can compare both scenarios. So let's assume that they are if they were opening the 15 strike calls by selling it to open, this would be the trade. It would be a vertical call spread here, right? 13 strike, 15 strike. Cost about $37 per trade. Analyze the trade. You can see here, this is what the trade looks like. 11.5. As the price goes up, this becomes more profitable. We have a positive 18 delta per trade. Now, if they were to have closed the 15 strike by selling it to close, we would then just be left with the 13 strike call. And if you are familiar with call options, this is just very bullish. Going long, just buying the 13 strikes with a 35 positive delta. Okay, the call option alone on itself has a more negative theta decay, -5. So that is the risk by buying the call without selling the 15 strike call. You can see that here. The call spread has a -1.89, so it's less risky, but the profit is capped here. So keep that in mind. There are pros and cons to different ways of trading this. Okay, so that is based on the last 30 minutes of the trading day, that for earnings, LYFT could be going up. Again, we are not in very large positions to trade earnings. This is not something that makes up the majority of our profits, because it is not as highly probable. There is risk involved with trading earnings, and so we trade other stocks or other strategies. And if you are interested in that to increase your profitability, make sure to join our membership. Click the join button on our channel homepage to learn more on how you can get access to other stocks with unusual options activity that have been very profitable for our members. Okay, so that is what we think. Please smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. If you want to be notified of unusual options activity, smash that bell icon, so you'll get notified just like this that just happened 5 minutes ago. Take care, everybody, and good luck.